Beautiful people, welcome back to my page. My name is Timmy, but as you know, you can call me Chef T. Happy 2025. I know I haven't been on here for a long time, and a whole lot has happened. Well, I've been pregnant all through 2025 till August, which I had my baby, a baby girl. She's beautiful. She's amazing. I'm doing well. And it is like refreshing to do it all over again because I have a 4 year old. Now I have a almost 2 months old, and she's doing great. So yeah, that's my life update. And I want to be doing more videos. I'm going to be coming on here, communicating with you guys. You're going to see the raw part of me, the raw behind the scenes and everything. So why are we here today? You're going to be wondering because I'm not cooking. So, I told you guys that I am currently a mom of two. I have two girls, and I am currently breastfeeding. So through my breastfeeding journey, I got a breastfeeding pump, which is the hands-free one. I got the Lasinoh pump. I am going to be showing you. This is it right here, the Lasinoh pump. So why I got this pump, I was searching online for tutorials on how to charge the phone and a lot of things about the pump. I didn't really see a lot of reviews on this pump. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the things on how to use this pump and the reviews. So far so good with this pump. It has really changed my breastfeeding journey for me. During my firstborn era, I was using the electric pump, which I have to sit down one place to pump, and it didn't really work well for me. The pump is good, but my breastfeeding journey, it was a disaster. So now that I'm using this Lasinoh pump, it has been amazing. I pump literally everywhere we go. That should be the name of this pump. Everywhere you go. So yeah, I pump basically picking up my toddler from school, going to the grocery store. I'm pumping in the middle of the night. I'm pumping, and while I'm pumping, I'm doing so many other things, which has been good. So this pump comes with this two. This is like the cover or the head, and is also the place you are going to be charging. So I was looking for all around where to charge this pump, which I did not find. So I am going to be showing you that. And this is the other part of the pump. I've been using it for about 2 months now. So it's not new. And this is the other part of the pump. This is the part you are going to be putting on your nipples, if you can see. So, and this is where the milk is going to be stored. So they have this place, which is the amount of the pump here is 180 ml. So this part is where the pump will be, the milk will be stored. So we also have this part, which covers here basically. So when you remove all of this part, you see this. You're going to see this, you are going to see this, and you are going to see this. So yeah, you take this and then you're going to put them inside here, as you can see, and make sure that it is well sealed. And then you take this, and this also comes with this. So you're going to take this and then you're going to stick it in here, and make sure that you press it in here well, because you're going to make sure it is well sealed. I'm going to have to watch this again. You're going to make sure it is well sealed so that the suction is getting into your nipples well. So you're going to take this, and then you take this. You see this side where there is space. You see this side where there is space. You're going to take these two together and you insert it in. You see? And then you press it all along the thing so that it is more firm. If it's not covered well, it is not going to work. If this is not put in well, it is not going to work. So you have to make sure that every part of the pump is well sealed for you to get the perfect pumping experience. So this is where we are going to be charging. This is the charging point. This is where I got confused. You see, there's a little place here, and you are going to open this. See, when you open this, you can easily charge this. So when you're done charging, it shows you where the charger is going to be put. When you're done charging, make sure you close it back. You are going to close it back, and it's going to look like this. So right here we have the Lasinoh logo, and this is where the power is. So with this power button, we have the power button, we have plus, we have minus, if you can see. So you're going to press this power button. You see, it is on. And then it comes with different pumping sets. This is one pump side. Right now it is working because I've put it on. So when you press this button, it's going to show you different pumping sets, which you are going to find the one that works for you. You're going to find the pumping set that works for you. And then you can either decrease or increase your suction experience. So whichever works for you. I use the 7 or 8 setting. That's the one that works for me and get the most milk out. So when you press on the plus button, it increases. When you press on the minus button, it decreases. So yeah, that's how this one works. And then when you're done, when it gets to this, regularly does for me for 20 minutes. If you feel that the breast milk is not enough, keep going. Put it on back again if you feel that. Sometimes I go for 20 minutes, sometimes I go for 30 minutes. That's the most I do in a pumping session. I pump for sometimes every 3 hours. And these days I've been doing more. It depends on how busy I get. So your experience is different. I just wanted to show you the pumping, the pumping machine. So you take this, which was sealed previously, you look for this side and you look for this side. So you put it together like this, and then you press it together. You make sure you press every part. You go back to the front part which you pressed previously. Make sure it is firm, it is connected. See? So this is what it looks like. When you're ready to pump, you put it on here. And yeah, let's do the second one together. So I have my pumping parts. I have this one. I'll look for where the space is, and the space is here. I put this in the middle here. Then make sure it is well inside, and then I press it firmly. See? In this space, I look for this place here, and then I put it together and press it firmly. And then it is ready. And then I put it in my nipple in the middle, just right here. You take your nipple and you insert it in the middle where the hole is, and then you put it on and go through the pumping parts and the type that work for you and the level that works for you, and it is done. I hope this video helps anybody that is buying this Lasinoh breast pump. It has been working for me so far, and I'm going to come back with an update of my experience after maybe 3 or 4 months. If it's still working, if it still works well, if I need to buy more parts, I'll let you guys know. but for now it works perfectly well for me and I'm loving the experience. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you all in my next video. Probably I'm gonna cook up something for you guys. Thank you for my new subscribers. Make sure you press the follow button, the subscriber button. Join me. I have so many things to do for you before the year ends. Thank you guys. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment this video. If you have any question regarding pumping, regarding breastfeeding, I will give you guys the little tea, the little experience that I have so far. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.